Welcome to this new video made by Crefix, trying to fix your money. Remember to subscribe and click the bell not to miss any of our video. So what are we gonna talk today about? Well, something happened a few days ago, and what happened is usually what triggers a recession. Well, it's gonna take a few months to get there, but the 10 years yield curve inverted versus the 2 years. That means that it went lower, and usually when that happens, within 18 months the economy falls into a recession. Well, and actually today, August 22nd, a third inversion happened. So what do we have to think, especially with the trade war and the election year coming? Well, let's check three main indicators. The first one is the unemployment. Unemployment cannot go lower. Everybody is employed, so it has to go up again. Second, Fed is cutting over and over, and all the central banks are doing so. Then third, massive layout in place. Verizon, Ford, Deutsche Bank, GM, Citigroup, they are all cutting jobs. Why? Because they want to save money, because they expect some kind of recession to come. And look at this table. The last two recessions, March 2000, October 2007, they had a very steep Standard & Poor fall, and also recovery time was very long, 55 and 65 months. That means that the economy is going to take a while before to restart, so the recession is going to be long and slow. Maybe not too heavy, but it's going to be slow, the recovery. So what's the best to do? First, think about the money you want to put away if you are 55 or 30 years old. Cash is always king in this situation. Keep at least 20% of money in cash and make profit of all the stocks that are all the stocks are profitable. Then try to pay off your credit card and have a 6-month emergency fund. And that's what always important during recession. Do not panic. Never panic. Never sell because of panic. So what happened once the recession is going to start? That's the moment you have to act. If you prepare it before, now you can recover. You have to start to invest again, like 50% of the cash. You have to put it to work. Where? Houses. Try to look for houses that are just built, because they're the one they have to sell before. Invest in stock, especially large cap. Try to keep buying regularly. Then start networking again. Maybe find a new job, or just try to change to get a better opportunity, because during recession there are the better opportunities. And keep faith, patience. Do not panic, like we said before, and subscribe to our channel for sure. See you later.